So, good day. So, magtudlo og double integration method, no? So, kung saan siya pag-apply, double integration method. So, first, simply supported beam. We have a hinge. We have a roller. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Ba't walang erase? Ayusin natin, no? So, draw tag beam. Natay hinge. Ba't auto draw? Natay roller, natay hinge. No? So, ation na to sila para dagan tag load. 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. Natay load dire, pila ni? 20, butang na to, 20. 20 Newton. Natay load dire, butang na to, 10 Newton. So what is the first step? Solving double integration, get the reaction. No? Summation of moment, ansa? Butang na to, A. Clockwise, positive, is equals to 0. Tama? Sa A tayo mag-moment. So, 20 times 2. Next is plus 10 times 6. Minus, aring B ang atong hinsya. B times, minus kasi mag-counter. 8. So, shift solve na to. 20 times 2 plus 10 times 6 minus x times 8. Shift solve. The answer is 12.5. So, si B is 12.5. O si A, unsa si A? So, irekta na nako ha. 30 minus 12.5. 18 ay 30 minus 12.5. 17.5. So, si A is 17.5. So, what's next? No? So, double integration. Next would be the moment equation, which regards EIY double prime. This is moment equation. Nauna lang ako. Equation. Na. So, put kag moment equation, how? You need to cut here before the beam ends. Or pwede din dito pwede ka din mag-cut sa hangin. Pwede din. So, it depends on you, on how you tend to understand. So, first, si A. This is our A. This is our B, di ba? Si A is 17.5 going upward. So, maglibot siya clockwise. So, 17.5. Then, ang distance would be the X. Kasi nag-cut ka. So, di mo unknown yung distance. Would be X. The next would be 20. Counter. Negative 20 times 1, 2, 3, 2. X minus 2. No? Kasi 2 yung distance dito. No? Tama? Okay. The next would be the 10. Pasok pa si 10 eh. Minus 10. Palang distance? 1, 2, 3. X minus 6. X minus 6. No? Now, nanatay value na. Wait lang, nawala. Ayos na to. Asa na to? Yan. Ayusin natin. So, nanatay value. Tama? Nanatay moment equation na 17.5x minus 20x minus 2 minus 10 x minus 6. Tama? Next, we proceed to the slope equation, which is EIY prime. Slope ni. Slope. Ano? So you need to integrate the first equation. So mangyari is 17.5 x, maging squared na siya kasi may 1 dito, over 2 minus 20 x minus 2 squared over 2 pa rin, minus 10 x minus 6 over 2 pa rin. No? Pero pagdating mo sa slow equation, mag-plus ka na ng C1. Yan. Now, you have slope equation, moment equation, proceed to the deflection equation, which is EIY. Def. Ano na lang, def. Deflection. So, integrate mo na naman si slope equation. So, 17.5 x, maging cube na siya, times 2 will be 6. Minus 20 x minus 2 cube over 6 minus 10 x minus 6 cube gyapon over 6. Kaso mangyari na dito kay deflection, plus C1x plus C2. No? So you have equation of deflection, and you have equation of the slope, and you have the moment equation na. Now, let's proceed to the boundary conditions. So, may boundary condition na to, Dre. No, ang boundary niya is naalang sa 0 as well as sa 8. No, non-zero ang boundary. Ano yung boundary nila? Boundary. Sa 0 o nasa 8. Tama? So, unahon mo to get the C1, C2, x is equals to 0. And you know na if nakasupport, the deflection will be 0 also. Tama? So now, di na nako na gamiton ni mo diri is si deflection equation. So kung 0 ni 0 kay ma-negative, then 0 pod negative, then 0, that's why C2 nimo may tamog 0. Next, boundary condition. Saan next na naka-boundary? 8, di ba? X is equals to 8, pero y is equals to 0 gyapon. Always na. No, si deflection equation Japan mo gamiton. So, to get the C1, ilagay mo sa mga x value si 8. No, 17.5 x cube over 6 minus 20 x minus 2 cube over 6 minus x minus 6 cube over 6 plus C1 is 0, so plus x lang kada rin. 0 man si C1. Ay, mali ginawa ko. Ay, tama pala. Ulitin natin calcio. 17.5 x cube over 6 minus 20 x minus 2 cube over 6 minus 10 x minus 6 cube over 6 plus x. No? Tapos i-calc mo si 8. C2 is 768. No? Ay, C1. Ay, mali. Dapat pala x times 8. Ano? So, dapat 8 ni sila tanan. 8, 8, 8 minus pila yun? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 cube over 6. 10 minus 8. Ship solve. Negative 95. No, value ka na ng C1. So, ang hinahanap naman natin ngayon is what? Value ni Nino. Deflection ay asa si location, the deflection. Gamiton lang nimo si slope equation to get the location. Kaning equation na ni sa slope equation, i-shift solve nimo siya. Okay? Nagabtan? Shift solve lang nimo siya. Mo na tong x value. So 17.5 x squared over 2 minus 20 x minus 2 squared over 2 minus 10 x minus 6 over 2. Naka-squared siya, no? Squared. Asan ako? Minus 95 na C1. Shift solve. Ang gagawas is x is equals to 4.312 meters. Mano ni location sa imong max deflection. Y max, mangyari niyan, ang value na ni na x, ibutang nimo siya diri sa deflection na equation. No gets? 4.312. Sige lang. Cube over 6. Cube over 6. Cube over 6. Cube over 6. C1x. C2 wala. So, calc ka 4.312. So, the deflection will be negative 208.98 over EI. Muna na yung Ymax. Muna na yung location sa Ymax. Kara.